The most common reason why people's photos are not sharp is because they have not selected a fast enough shutter speed for the given subject. This is nearly always the case when it comes to blurry images. If your shutter speed is not fast enough, this will lead to two big issues. Number one, you will need a fast enough shutter speed to freeze your subject's moving motion in your frame. Action sports, racing cars, wildlife all need faster shutter speeds than an object that is not moving. If your shutter speed is not fast enough and your subject is moving through the frame whilst the shutter is open, this will create a blurry image. And second, if you are holding your camera in your hands, you will need a fast enough shutter speed that will counter the movement of your hands. Some people's hands are a lot more steadier than others. The best thing to do is to always take some test shots. Set your shutter speed to what you think will work. For example, in street photography, I would always start at around 1/250 of a second and take around 3 photos. I will then zoom into each image to make sure that they are nice and sharp. If they are not, I will simply increase my shutter speed and repeat the process. For fast moving subjects like sports, wildlife, I would always start at 1/400. Again, the same principle. Take some photos, zoom in and check that they are sharp. If not, increase your shutter speed and repeat the process. Remember, the faster the moving subject, the faster your shutter speed will need to be to freeze that subject in motion. Always, and I mean always, no matter what kind of photography that you are doing, always do a test shot and follow the above process. I have learned the hard way because when I first started photography, I did not follow any process at all. I remember getting home only to find that most of my photos were blurry and I couldn't figure out why. You can now learn from all of my mistakes. The simple process of doing some test shots and then adjusting your settings if needed will save you a lot of time and a lot of headache. Trust me.